Hi to all. In this video, I would like to share the post-quarantine requirements of Singapore. After I finished my quarantine, I was a bit busy with the pass registration, finding accommodation and the vaccination verification, serology test and so on. Today only I got some time to do this video to share the post-quarantine requirements. So let's see in detail about what are the post-quarantine requirements for Singapore. Once you finish your quarantine, you are now free to go inside the Singapore anywhere. Okay. First thing, those who are not downloaded the Trace Together app, you have to download the Trace Together app immediately and to register the app with your PIN number and with your registered mobile number, because this Trace Together app is very important and anywhere you want to go to any shopping mall, grocery shop, restaurant, dine in, anywhere, in the entry they will appoint one person with the QR code. Okay, you need to scan that QR code and to register that you entered into that facility, and while you leaving that facility you need to check out. This is mandatory, this is compulsory. Some places they will verify that your Trace Together app is showing you are vaccinated or not. If you are not vaccinated, they may deny your entry. So after you finish your quarantine, first download the Trace Together app and register. Then the second thing important is vaccination. As a foreigner, we got vaccination outside Singapore, so our vaccination is not directly linked with our Trace Together app or in any of our government portals. So the Singapore government made a facility to verify our vaccination, whether we really had a vaccination or not. This is called as a serology test. The Singapore government provided certain approved laboratories to testing this serology. It is nothing but a blood test. Okay, so you can find the list of approved laboratories to do this test in the portal. Okay, I did my serology test with the Prime Medical Center in Orchard. Actually, this medical center is work two types. Somebody asking an appointment, you need to make a pre-appointment to go there. Somebody is a walk-in. This Prime Medical Center is a walk-in. We don't need to have any appointment. So after I finished my quarantine, the second day I went to this laboratory directly. They will ask to submit your EP card or your pass, whatever it is, or if you are in IPA, you need to provide the IPA letter with your passport copy. So they will take a blood test and you need to pay $70. This test is costing around 70 Singapore dollar. Once you make the payment and provide the blood sample, then you are free to go. After 2 days, they will call you and confirm you about the result of your blood test. If the blood test is positive, if the antigen is detected in your blood, they will update the MOH portal. If your Trace Together app and your PIN number and your registered mobile number all are same provided in the laboratory, your Trace Together app automatically synchronized, and in your app you will see the vaccination status turned to be green and it will show that you are vaccinated. After that you are free to go like a normal Singapore citizen or PR or those who are vaccinated inside Singapore. You will be considered as a person who is vaccinated within Singapore. So the serology test doing is very important. Then after that your Trace Together app will show the updated vaccination status. If anybody want to verify your vaccination status, you can just open your Trace Together app and show this vaccination status. Then you will be allowed to enter anywhere by signing in with this safe entry QR code. No matter about your vaccination, here currently the Singapore cases are spiking very huge and they are expecting it will go up to 5,000 cases per day. So be careful once you go outside. Thank you so much.